Blip AI is making waves as a communication platform that claims to streamline interactions using AI. But does it really deliver on that promise? Today, we're diving into what makes Blip AI tick and whether it's worth your time. Blip AI positions itself as a comprehensive communication platform designed to enhance team collaboration and customer interactions. Right off the bat, the interface feels modern and user-friendly, making it accessible for both tech-savvy individuals and those less familiar with AI tools. The platform offers features like real-time messaging, automated responses, and integrations with other popular apps, which could be a game changer for businesses looking to streamline their communication processes. However, while the core functionality seems solid, the depth of customization options left me wanting more. It's clear that Blip AI targets businesses and teams looking to improve efficiency, but I noticed some features like analytics and reporting are not as robust as I'd expect for a platform of this caliber. Overall, it feels like a promising tool, but lacks some clarity around its advanced functionalities. When discussing the strengths of Blip AI, the intuitive interface and ease of use are definitely highlights. The automated responses can save time, especially for customer service teams. However, there are some drawbacks. For starters, the pricing structure could be more transparent. It's not immediately clear what you get at each tier. Some users may find that while the basic features are handy, they may outgrow the platform's capabilities as their needs evolve. Additionally, the lack of detailed analytics could be a deal breaker for data-driven teams. In summary, while Blip AI has a lot of potential, its limitations in advanced features and pricing clarity may frustrate some users. It's worth considering if you're a smaller team or business, but may not suit larger organizations with more complex communication needs. In conclusion, Blip AI is an intriguing option for those looking for a straightforward communication platform. It's particularly beneficial for smaller teams that value ease of use. However, larger businesses or those needing advanced features might want to explore alternatives. Ultimately, give it a try, but keep your expectations in check regarding its limitations.